Don't miss the discussion with Michael Lighthiser, Deputy Chief of Police at George Mason University. Scheduled for Tuesday, August 6, 2024 at 3 o'clock S. The upcoming episode will give the audience a chance to learn about how George Mason University deploys drones to support public safety, coordinates with other departments and partners, and communicates with their community. Register here for this free live event presented by DroneResponders in collaboration with DroneLife, featuring special guest Michael Lighthiser, Deputy Chief of Police at George Mason University. The August edition of the Public Safety Drone Review will feature Michael Lighthiser, Deputy Chief of Police at George Mason University. Michael is a thought leader in public safety drone use. He serves as NVERS U.S. Working Group Chair and is a member of the Law Enforcement Drone Association, LEDA, Steering Committee, and the DroneResponders Board of Advisors. Stay informed and engaged. The Public Safety Drone Review is your monthly gateway to the latest in regulations, issues, and drone technology for public safety. Join us on August 6th to be part of the discussion. Missed an episode? Catch up on the DroneLife TV YouTube station. Recent episodes have featured Brink Drones, Anzu Robotics, and Baltimore Police crime scene investigator Megan Descalzi.